You're not even looking, dude. Well, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today we've got a 2008 Ford Escape with a 3-liter V6. Customer says that the check engine light's on. They scanned it. It had a code P0128 Thermostat stuck open, so they got a thermostat. Want us to replace it? Let's get into it. All right, thermostat is right down here. Ordinarily, I would take the time to drain the coolant and stuff, but I mean, it's 3 bolts and it's right here. So I'm going to start with the hardest one to get to. They're all 8 millimeters. The hardest one to get to is on the bottom, so you probably won't be able to see anything, but hopefully you'll be able to see the other two. All right, that's the one that you can't see. Now I'll move on to the one that you can see, the two that you can see. All right, I'm going to try to prep the other one as good as possible so I don't lose a ton of coolant. Your jiggle valve is oriented up top, and then this gasket goes on top of it like that. All right, torque spec on these is 89 inch-pounds. So she's held a vacuum for a decent amount of time. We'll go ahead and get our coolant filling back up. Vacuum filling it always overfills a little bit. We'll just straighten out the coolant level once we're done. Well, all right, guys, that's going to wrap the video up for today. So this one is pretty darn easy. It's 3 8mm bolts. You could go drain the coolant if you wanted to. This car's had a bunch of various coolant leaks and stuff in it, so the coolant that's in it is fairly new. That's why we didn't. This we try to keep as much of it in as we can. If you had something super clean, you could recycle it, but we just put new coolant in it. So parts and labor breakdown. Customer provided these parts. I actually specifically requested that he not get a motor rad thermostat, and that's what they got. So I have every expectation that I'll be doing this job again 7.5 months from now. The part, I think it was in the neighborhood of like $40. The gasket was a couple of dollars, and then a gallon, slightly more than a gallon of coolant. Labor calls for 0.8, so almost 1 hour. And that's it, guys. So anyway, hopefully we earned a thumbs up from you. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. We have new content for you every single week, so consider subscribing to the channel. And with all that being said, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.